Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to schedule post on X for free. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So if you want to simply schedule posts on X for free, this can be done directly through the website via the schedule post icon in the post composer. So all you gotta do is simply go to x.com. Once you're in your x.com, you need to go to your post option. Once you tap on the post option, you need to simply scroll down and type in a post. After you have done this, you can simply tap on a calendar like icon, which will promptly be on your screen. So once you get that calendar icon, you can simply tap on the schedule button and select the desired date and time, then confirm. Once you have done this, you can click on the schedule button and this will be saved and scheduled on the particular day you have chosen. So this is how you can schedule post on X for free. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and to give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for our next video.